Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn cooking verbs vocabulary. Chop. Chop the parsley into small pieces. Slice. She is slicing the vegetables. Dice. Peel and dice the carrots. Peel. She is peeling the potatoes. Drain. Can you drain the pasta, please? Mash. She mashed the potatoes. Pour. She is pouring milk into a cereal bowl. Break. He is breaking an egg into a bowl. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon into a mixing bowl. Fry. I always fry eggs for breakfast. Melt. Melt the butter in a frying pan. Saute. Saute the vegetables for 5 minutes. Boil. The water is boiling. Simmer. Let the soup simmer a few minutes. Steam. Steam vegetables rather than sautéing. Roast. Are you going to roast the chicken? Bake. He is baking bread. Grill. Grill the sausages for 10 minutes. Mix. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Whip. Whip the cream until thick. Weigh. She used the scale to weigh the ingredients. Add. The girl is adding spices to the soup. Sprinkle. Sprinkle salt on salad. Stir. She is stirring the soup with a ladle. Tenderize. Do you know how to tenderize the meat? Sift. Sift the flour into a bowl. Grate. He is grating cheese on pizza. Blend. She is blending the fruits in a blender. Toast. She toasted the bread for breakfast. Spread. I like to spread jam on toast. Knead. Knead the dough for 3 minutes. Roll out. Roll out the dough into one large circle. Toss. He is tossing the pizza dough. Taste. Please taste this to see if you like it. Make. The girl is making coffee. Wash. She is washing the vegetables. Measure. She measured the milk with a measuring cup. Sharpen. The chef is sharpening the knife. Crush. My mother is crushing garlic and parsley. Light. Light the stove. Turn off. Turn off the heat and allow the sauce to rest. Heat. First of all, heat the oven. Flip. She is flipping the pancake. Pot. The girl is putting the pot on the stove. Top. Let's top the pizza with grated cheese. Decorate. She is decorating the cake. Serve. She is serving food to her children. Chop. Slice. Dice. Peel. Drain. Mash. Pour. Break. Squeeze. Fry. Saute. Melt. Boil. Simmer. Steam. Roast. Bake. Grill. Mix. Whip. Weigh. Add. Sprinkle. Stir. Tenderize. Sift. Grate. Blend. Toast. Spread. Knead. Roll out. Toss. Taste. Make. Wash. Measure. Sharpen. Crush. Light. Turn off. Heat. Flip. Put. Top. Decorate. Serve. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and share this video. See you in the next one.